These changes are amazing. If you use them right, your reels will just blow up. Hello everybody, welcome back to those who have watched my previous videos, and a warm welcome for those who are just joining. If you want to increase your followers, reels are going to get your message out to more people. But just released new features that when used correctly will just skyrocket your reach. Hello, my name is Margie. I'm a digital marketer, mum of two and a small business owner, and my mission is to help you turn your hobby, your passion, into a beautiful brand that magnetizes the perfect loyal customers who just want to buy your products or services by using the power of social media. For those who don't know, I started my small baby store many years ago, which completely flopped. Basically, my marketing plan was to throw together some Facebook ads and just sit back and watch everyone come to my beautiful website that I spent hours on. Yep, that didn't work. So I had to end up selling my business, and basically, look, I was a little bit annoyed and frustrated, and so I then turned to learn the world of marketing. I didn't even know marketing was a thing, but there you are. And I want to make sure that you do not go down the same line as I do and make the same mistakes that I did. So if this sounds like something that you are interested in, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, which I upload once a week. Alright, let's get straight into the first topic. Stickers to reels. So what does that even mean? What is a sticker? And hopefully by now you might know what a reel is with Instagram. So let me give you a bit of a rundown on what a sticker is. So a sticker is bringing all that fun stuff that you remember as a kid into play. It is used to enhance your posts, it is used to catch attention, and to create something else that will stop someone scrolling past and have a look at your particular post. There are so many different types of stickers. There's location stickers, there's mention stickers, date, poll, quizzes, and many more. They can be used for something just to look at, or it can be interactive. It is great for growing your brand and establishing a relationship with your followers. It's also great for market research, because if you ask the right questions, you can find out more. Something along the lines of, do you like this red product or this blue product? And you can work out where it is that you would like to direct your business to. So how do we use Instagram stickers? Firstly, I'll show you on stories, and then I'll explain the differences on reels. So first thing we need to know is they're fully customizable. They can be a word or an emotion, and then the sticker will appear. So let's have a bit of a look. So firstly, we open up the Instagram app. We then add the cross at the top, go across the story, add in something that you might like. Let's have a look at the last one that I did. And we'll just pretend that we're going to be putting a sticker on here. So then up the top of the screen, you select the little sticker icon, and then that brings up all the different options that you can use. So the ones that I like to use are the add yours, the location, and the questions are really good too, because you can find out more about your audience. But let's have a look. If we want to search and put a sticker up for anything, we could say search sun. There we go, and we could just put the sun emotion anywhere that you would like. If you would like to delete it, just click on it, and you can click and drag down to the bottom, and there it is, disappeared. So quizzes, you can have up to 4 answers. Make them fun and engaging and something that people want to talk to you about. Otherwise, let's have a look about this add yours. If you select add yours, you can write a prompt. So for example, we could type in, how is the weather? Or what is the weather like? And I could add, there we go. I could then add all sorts of other bits and pieces. So how is the weather? So basically, I can then click and drag that anywhere and encourage my followers, perhaps while I'm talking or in text that I could add, to click on that and show me what the weather is like in their part of the world. It's a great interactive way. So please comment below, what sticker do you love using and what do you use the most? So let's have a look now. We've seen how it works on stories. How does it work on reels? Well, easy. It's really much the same. So once again, we click on the icon up the top, we go down to reels, and then from there we can add the reel that we would like to use, and click on next, and it comes up with the option of stickers. So there's your stickers icon, and we can once again add the same stickers that we did in the Reels. The beauty with the Add Yours is because it goes out to more people like the Reels do, you're more likely to gain more followers. Bonus is, if a lot of people click on that Add Your sticker and it goes viral, you get attributed to that particular trend. It can also be financially rewarding from Instagram for starting the trend. Alright, so let's have a bit of a look about some other features that have just rolled out. So cross-posting, Instagram Reels to Facebook. If your accounts are joined, you can post your Instagram Reel to Facebook at the same time. It's really easy. So basically you make a reel on Instagram, and then just prior to uploading it, you will see a prompt that will ask if you would like to cross-post it to Facebook. There is an option for cross-posting automatically every time. Just select the option you need. On that topic, you can also see the insights for your Reels on Facebook. Firstly, make sure that you have your business account or a creator account on Instagram. Then select the 3 lines at the top. So firstly, select your icon down the bottom right hand corner, select the 3 lines at the top, go to Get Insights, and then from there you can find out all sorts of things about the particular Reels that you would like to find out about, including what it's like on Facebook. It's the easiest way to grow your account, and that's by using data. If that Reel is working, make similar Reels just like it. So if you would like to learn more about social media to grow your business, please click on the link in the description for your free guide. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you've learned something new today, or if you like more tips and tricks on growing your business, click the subscribe button. Please stay around to watch my other videos on social media to grow your business.